you. Of course, thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, and to share knowledge with all of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. I'll leave the link down below for my profile, where I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, wigs, and all the upcoming videos that I'll be making. With that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here, as well as little bell, so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. Now, this is actually my very first wig lookbook, and I'm so excited. I wanted a regular wig, like I have it in brown, and then I wanted a trendy wig, so I have it in silver, and then I wanted a totally fun wig, so I got it in blue. As you all know, I love blue anything. And I do have to mention, last time I wore blue lipstick in a video, I literally got so much negative feedback about this blue lipstick that I'm doing it again. And I'm doing it in this amazing tone that I'm in love with. So welcome to the first part of this 3-wig lookbook. It's actually from a company called Heraremy. And all these wigs are beautifully packaged in these really cool packaging. I was like really surprised when I got it. Sometimes you just never know what you're gonna get, because I feel the median price of a wig on the internet that isn't from a fancy brand is probably around $40 or so. So for the fact that these are 30 or under, I was actually really impressed, honestly, when I took these out of the box, and honestly how great they are. But here's the first one that we're gonna be doing, which I decided to do a brown one. This is actually in Liyah, that's her name. And she is 22 inches right here. You can take a little look right here, kind of these beautiful curls and waves. And what's really interesting is that I've never really seen this before, unless I've never noticed it, but it says that this wig, and I probably would gather the other two as well, that it is protein infused hair. Who knew? Because it actually does feel extremely soft, but it has actually like a medium texture to it, so it isn't like super light. I feel like it basically feels like kind of like real hair. I'm not gonna lie to anyone. This is also a 4x4 parting. So this does have a little bit of free parting in the front because of this lace right here. So let's actually talk about the construction of the wig really quick. Besides that 4x4, this has 2 clips or 2 combs right here in the side, and then this has 1 comb right here in the back. This does have a medium wig cap, so this would be large head friendly if you need a large head friendly wig. Alright, so let's put this girl on. I have my wig cap in nude, which I got from Amazon. I got a 10-pack for $5.99. Deal of the century, as I always say. So now talk about, she also has actually a medium to light lace right here. Medium to light lace, and also she is heat resistant as well, up to 365 degrees Fahrenheit if you choose to heat modifier. Okay, let me move this around here and see what we got. Okay. I feel like she's very luscious. She's very luscious in the front, which I'm not gonna fight. And actually, that's what I kind of was really interested in, having something that wasn't just like one layer, that had a little bit of interest in the front. And also, I did not do anything to her except for cut the lace off. So by all means, if you would love to customize her a little bit more in the front, the parting, etc., add powder to it, do it. Do it and love it. Okay, wow. Ooh, I do like this. like I said, she just, you know, she feels really great. She feels really great. And honestly, you know, as much as I love really long wigs, I kind of like these kind of mid-length wigs. So this is 22, so it doesn't seem like overly aggressive, just past like mid-chest for me. I'm 5'7", so let's see here. I like this. I like this kind of look right here. Definitely workable. I feel like I definitely prefer her, as I'm playing around with this, to the side. And I really like this. What do you guys think about this? Ooh, I feel very, maybe a little mom right now, a little soccer mom if I was a glamorous soccer mom, but I do like this. I'm definitely gonna wear this. Yeah, I really like the front. It feels really great. And what else can I say that I'm really excited and impressed with this wig. I wanted to showcase how amazing, fun, and different you can look by just changing your hair or changing your wig. So thank you all for stopping by. I so appreciate each and every single one of you. I honestly do. Please reach out to me on Instagram. Send me your photos. Send me your everything. I want to know what you're up to, your favorite wigs. I want to know if you have any wigs from this company and how you love it. And then of course, let me know, like, what is your favorite of these 3 wigs that I'm going to be doing for this lookbook. So I want to thank you all. And of course, we will see you soon.